Secured loans are a fantastic option for people who need cash at an emergency. There are a number of advantages of these loans, and hopefully this article will help you get the most from them. You will not have to do a credit check. In order to get a secured loan, you only need to provide your home as collateral, with the lender having full control over what you can or cannot do with it. If you are able to pay them back on time, you will be very unlikely to lose your home if you do not pay your loan off. Lenders will look at your assets before lending you any money. They have every right to look at your assets, whether they are real estate savings, stocks or anything else that can be used as collateral, to ensure that you have enough money to pay them back. The length of time the loan lasts will depend on how much you want to borrow. If you are going to use the loan to cover a large expense, such as a car repair, it is likely that the interest rate will be very high. Secured loans offer lower interest rates than unsecured loans. There are many benefits that go along with this. For example, when a borrower chooses to get an unsecured loan, there is nothing to stop the bank from raising your interest rate if they feel they have made a mistake. With a secured loan, they know that the rate is lower to begin with, so the lender will not raise it if they feel they are making a mistake. This means that you pay a lower interest rate. Another benefit of borrowing secured is that you will not end up paying a higher interest rate. If you were to borrow your home as collateral and default on the loan, you would have to pay much more interest than if you had borrowed an unsecured loan. However, this advantage comes at a cost. A major difference between these loans and unsecured loans is that if you fail to make your payments, your property is repossessed. You may be asked to forfeit your home, in which case you will have to find a place to live that you will be able to afford. This means that you will not have a place to live, but then again, it could be possible to find a rental that will allow you to stay in your home. It can also come with additional fees, such as title searches and various other costs. The lender is not going to look kindly on you if you do not have enough money to cover all your monthly repayments. Borrowing secured does not give you the option of borrowing on weekends or at night. There is a limit to how much you can borrow, which is the same as applying for an unsecured loan. Secured loans have their advantages, but it can be hard to know which to choose. If you are unsure, the best way to do your research is to apply for an unsecured loan, but to compare the various loans before you choose the one that is right for you.